When it comes to brand differences in air conditioners, every brand out there has their quirks. They've had their issues. It's been widely known that your equipment's only as good as the installation. There are equipment that tend to have more failures. It used to be, yeah, they got the same warranty, you'll just get to use it more. But when it comes to a lot of your manufacturing, there's only a few handful of really major manufacturers, and so many of them fall under a parent company. So for us, we've chose, we do Luxair, do Rheem, do Bosch. We pick a brand that supports us well, supports the customers well, stands behind their product is the biggest thing. There's those that might be a little bit more expensive on the front end, but the repair side, they're just ridiculously on their parts when they're out of warranty. Luxair has a great manufacturer's warranty that we love to offer to people. In my opinion, the cheapest insurance you can get, because it's sad to say, but nothing's built like it used to be. So we're still getting, they say the average life expectancy on an HVAC, I still say 17 to 20 years. That all boils down to how well it's maintained, how well it's installed. You can take the most expensive system out there and do a really poor install with really janky ductwork and that, and it's never going to perform right. It's going to fail early. A lot of it is knowing the ins and outs of how it's supposed to work so you can make it work. That's why for my company, our service guys are our installers. They know how it works on the back end. So they're more than just installers, stringing duct and pulling flex. We balance systems, we size systems for airflow, put a lot of extra into there so the house is even temperature. You don't have this corner room that's always 10 degrees warmer than the room next to it. We've had to go in and solve a lot of those problems. Like I said, the manufacturing brand to me is a personal preference. A lot of it is the companies who've built those relationships with the supply houses and have people who stand behind them. And it's hard to say one brand's better than the other, because like I said, every brand out there in one shape, form, fashion, time period, or whatever is kind of laid out a turd. As far as quality between manufacturers, they have their pinnacle tier, and then they just go down from there. And there's some that, it's a builder's grade, and it's designed to just get the house to heat and cool, and it's not going to have the longevity without good maintenance. That's the crazy thing. There's been systems that are junk in 7 years, and then the same system in a different house may last 30 years. It really comes down to installation and maintenance. And you can tear up anything if you want to. You can take a $100,000 car and not change the oil in it and see how long that motor lasts. Or you can buy a $30,000 Chevy Cruze and maintain it properly and get 200,000 miles. Or at the same time, trash a motor and 50,000.